everybody, it's your girl Belle Rose and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I am going to be doing an ombre wig. I received 3 bundles of 12-inch hair along with a closure. Just a little disclaimer, I am not a professional and this video is basically going to show that we do all make mistakes when we are first doing wigs or trying something new. This is what I received in the package that I got. Just a little thank you book that tells you how to take care of the hair and everything, and a weaving cap that nobody in this world ever uses. So the colors that I chose to do was I used the Dark and Lovely dye, and I chose the 380, and I also chose the 377. My idea was to do a nice ombre brown to blonde kind of wig. So I started off with these colors, and take in mind that I did say I started off with these colors, and I just went ahead and put that dark 380 at the top, and then I applied that light blonde at the bottom, hoping to get a really good ombre effect, and I just went ahead and applied that to all of my bundles. Like I said, I was really expecting this hair to be from a brown, like a black to a brown to like a lighter, not like blonde, but like a nice ombre. And I let this sit on the hair for about 2 hours, then rinsed it out and blow dried it. And safe to say that it just kind of, yeah. So this is how it turned out. Absolutely no color at all, and I was like, well, should I leave it like this? But it kind of made me upset because that was not what I was going for whatsoever, and it really made me mad. I was sitting in the bathroom the whole time like, so I'll never do box dyes again. So I went ahead, and this is the finished product. What I did, that's me. What I did is that I just went ahead and I bleached it. Just put a little bit of bleach on the bottom first and let that process for about 15 minutes. I did use 40 volume developer, so it didn't take as long as usual to actually dye it. So I let the end sit for about 15 minutes. And then I went ahead to the top, to the middle part, and I let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it all out. I also created this wig off camera because I am still learning how to make wigs. I still make mistakes, and I just wanted to do it off camera. It's just a little bit easier for me to do it off camera for now. But if you ever want me to do a detailed how I make my wigs, I'll be more than happy to do it. What I'm doing now is I knew that I wanted this bob to be pretty short. Not short like I don't got no hair in the back short, but I did want it to be a nice short bob. So I went ahead and I started to flat iron the hair and cut it to the length that I preferred. Like I said, I am not a professional. I don't cut hair or flat iron hair. As you see, look how crimped that is. Ugh. I don't cut hair, I don't flat iron hair. This is just what I do for me and what works for me. this is how it came out at the end. I went ahead and I did my baby hairs and fixed it up with the plucking and everything like that off camera, and this is how it came out in the end. I love it. I'm going to leave everything that I use in the description box below. If you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great day.